Hello friends, welcome back to RC with Papa, and today we are going to do a crazy build which is basically a brushless setup of MN90. Now we are going to install a 6100 kV brushless motor, which is basically a Racerstar 2435 motor along with a 35 ampere Racerstar brushless ESC. I am going to install a 3S battery. Now the controller setup is basically FSGT3C, FlySky TX and RX. In my previous build I had already installed metal axles and metal drive shafts, so it will remain the same. I mentioned the links of upgrades and parts in the description. Don't forget to check out if you want to do the same. So without further ado, let's quickly set up and test whether this mini Defender can survive this overkill setup. So friends, I've installed the battery in the rear part of the body and also added some counterweights so that the balance of the body remains correct. And ESC has been installed here. ESC and the receiver has been installed here. Let's test the 3S brushless Defender 90. So basically I burnt the ESC. I need to figure out whether I need a higher rated ESC or whether this specific 35 ampere ESC was itself faulty. Anyhow, this project is still on and I'll upgrade this Defender 90. So subscribe to my channel so that you can watch my second attempt in upgrading this Defender 90 with 3S Lipo and a brushless motor. Till then, bye bye.